How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Having a hard time to decide between the NOCO Genius 2 or the Genius 5? Hopefully in this video will help you make a decision. I'll show you the difference and my opinion, and the video starts right now. So here we have the NOCO Genius 2 and the NOCO Genius 5. The first thing you'll notice is the size difference. So for the NOCO Genius 2, the length is 3.7 inches. The width is 2.4 inches. And the thickness is 1.7 inches. Now for the NOCO Genius 5, the length is 4.6 inches. The width is 2.9 inches. And the thickness is 1.9 inches. So besides the size difference, the difference too is the power. So the NOCO Genius 2, the 2 means it's 2 amps, and the NOCO Genius 5, the 5 means it's 5 amps. So the 5 amps has more power than the 2 amps, so it charges faster than the 2 amps. And both of them have capabilities of charging a battery down to 0 volt if you use the force mode. And both of them can and bring back the life of the battery because they both have desulfation mode, also auto detection and smart diagnostics indication, and it has a repair mode integrated with a 9-step charging profile. So both of them has thermal compensation, so when you try to charge a battery outdoor when it's colder outside, it's gonna charge at a higher rate to reduce undercharging in a colder climate, and it's gonna charge lower rate when it's hot outside to prevent overcharging. And both of them is a worry-free charging charger that automatically monitors your battery when you're doing maintenance mode. So both of them have the same length of cables and the same type of battery clamps and the same type of eyelets integrated to the battery clamps if you want to connect directly to your battery. So now for the difference, the NOCO Genius 2 is capable of charging up to 40 amp hour battery, and it maintains all types of batteries. But for the NOCO Genius 5, it can charge up to 120 amp hour battery, and it can maintain all types of batteries too. NOCO Genius 2 doesn't have any repair mode, and the NOCO Genius 5 has a repair mode. So in my opinion, if you just want to maintain your battery indoor or outdoor, you can just use the NOCO Genius 2. It's good for maintaining batteries. But if occasionally you want to charge a battery or you want to fix a dead battery and you want more power, I would go for the NOCO Genius 5, because the NOCO Genius 5 can fix the battery, repair the battery, and maintains the battery, and it's capable of charging a battery up to 120 amp hour. So in my opinion, if you just want to maintain your battery, go for the NOCO Genius 2. It saves you a bit of money. But if you want to maintain, repair, charge batteries, and you want more power, I would go for the NOCO Genius 5. So I hope this solves your problem for determining which one you want to buy. If you're interested in buying any of these two chargers, I hope I help you in your decision on buying these two chargers. So if you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.